So this is a 19th century character property, and it's set in over 6 acres of magnificent wooded grounds. It's just 3 miles from the centre of the historic city of Aix. The great thing about this property is the countryside environment, and it's also really close to the TGV station and the business area of Les Milles. So if you're looking to work or you wanted to run a chambre d'hôte, it's very close to the business area as well. It has enormous potential. It could be a beautiful family home or a prestigious holiday home. It has loads of rental opportunities, premises for receptions if you wanted to turn it into a luxury boutique hotel, and it's just a fantastic area. And if you're driving through this area in the Provence, you'll see hundreds and hundreds of lavender fields, beautiful historic towns all nearby, and Aix itself is a city. Aix-en-Provence is a really historic city, really worth a visit to go and have lunch, have apéros, and have a walk around the historical town of Aix.